There are two other really useful features in the scene chapter creation area that we ought to explore. Let's go back to what's now scene number 3, Exterior Icefield Day. And here we can see that in the Add Appreciations area, when we go down to our Objective Story Domain of Universe, it has the number 1 next to it. This indicates that we've used this particular story point one time in our story. Concern doesn't have any numbers, indicating that it hasn't been used at all. So, once you've done all the storytelling and scene creation that you feel you want for your story, go through the entire list of all of these different story points and verify that everything has a number next to it. If it doesn't, there's a hole in your story, and even if you developed that story point and intended to put it in, it somehow slipped by and didn't make it in the final cut. Make sure everything has at least a number of 1, and you'll never have a hole in your story. Now, if you decide that you want to remove a story point from the reference window, just select it like this and let go, and it's gone. Now, our last stop in the tour of the Quick Start Story Guide is down here at the very bottom. It's the very last thing you do. It's Print Report. And in Print Report, you have two options. Print the story treatment or print your story now. Now, at the bottom of each of the previous sections, there's the same Print Report button. And when you print your story now, that gives you all of the dramatic information that Dramatica has provided and that you have selected, all of the structural material, followed by any storytelling you've done up to that point. If you print story treatment now, all you get is the storytelling. And in this way, you have two references. One, your underlying structure and how it was illustrated, and two, the treatment for your story, which is just the material that you entered into the scenes or chapters in that top window, put in sequence. To sum up, whether you're a structuralist or an inspirationist, the story guide path is a great way to get your feet wet with Dramatica and at the same time go from concept to completed treatment in the quickest possible path. Of course, the story guide is only one of the many tools for story structure and storytelling in Dramatica. To learn more about the others, return to the main menu of this program.